Hey everyone, it's Ken and Andrew here from Northern Viking Explorer. We are on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. We want to give you a quick tour of our cabin. It's cabin 2558 on deck 2, and it's an Oceanview cabin. Let's check it out. So Andrea, can you give us a tour of our cabin?
Yes, come on in. Let's start here at the Vanity. You can see there's nice lighting here. There's some shelving here too behind the glass, which is good for keeping small things.
On both sides.
Yes, lots of drawers here.
Well, they don't roll very well, but...
And there is a hair dryer in this one here.
How is that?
Well, I'd have to plug it in.
Cool.
Let's see.
Normal?
We'll call it acceptable.
Acceptable.
Acceptable, maybe. To some.
I did notice there was a drawer here as well.
Yes,
right there.
Another one.
And by the vanity here is the temperature gauge, which was on hot when we walked in, so we need to cool it down. Down here for plugs, there's, well, first off, there's an announcement channel there. You can turn that off and on. There's a European 240. Now we bring these adapters. They've got extra USB ports, so USB-C and A. That'll give us some extra plugs in here. If you're interested in those, they're linked below. And then this side here has the vanity light switch, and there's two more 120 plugs. What's down there? That's
We have our cooler, mini coolers here.
small, it'll do the trick.
Comes empty, which is great if you have some things to put in there.
Now that's quite a small TV. I want to say 32 inch maybe, 27 or 32, but
Yeah.
it does tilt out
Yes,
towards the bed.
but it's not very high, but that's okay.
It'll do the trick. I did also notice there is a USB-A port here on the side. Maybe that can be used to charge devices as well.
Moving up here, you'll find the safe.
The safe, kind of standard size. A really small laptop or iPad might fit in there, but not a full laptop.
And some cupboard space up here.
Nice.
And then moving back towards the bed, you'll find there's a nightstand on each side. There's a telephone on this side. The door closes.
Some lights on both sides, reading lights, and
And the switches are, there's one on each side.
nice.
And for that,
There's our window, ocean view window. That's nice and big.
they'll let lots of light into here.
Yeah, and you can see all the way out. Now, are those blackout curtains?
I hope so. Oh, yes. There's a heavy dark one and then a light sheer one in front.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. And another nightstand on this side. I really like that there's drawers in those. There's also a main light switch on the wall over there. All right, let's swing around.
Now this is a connecting cabin, so the connecting door is here.
I did test it. It's locked, so that's if you're not sharing the cabin, they'll lock that. But we have a chair instead of a couch because that door is there. So nice place to sit. There's that chair and the one
Right here, which
right
is
there.
actually nice that it's a chair, not just a stool.
Yeah.
A nice full-length mirror here.
Mm-hmm. And then behind you is the
Closet.
closet. So a fairly large closet. Shelving down the side, lots of hangers.
But there is only the one section.
Mm-hmm. Life jackets are down there.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully we don't need those.
And
And
now,
then the washroom.
but I have one thing I wanted to know.
Oh,
The magnets we brought.
magnetic hooks. We use these. Is the roof metal?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, that's good.
Oh,
Really good.
How about the walls?
Check over here. Yeah, pretty good there
Okay,
too.
that'll be
Actually,
good.
quite a strong hold there.
So we bring these magnetic hooks. They're really good for hanging hats and different things like that. Again, we'll link those in the description. All right, washroom.
Let's step on in.
There's some hooks on the back.
All right, so it's not a.
Shower
Curtain,
curtain. No,
yeah.
I really like that it's the
It's like an acrylic.
acrylic door.
Yeah, yeah. Not huge.
No,
like
and if you're
it's-
tall, you're gonna hit your head
Well,
there.
yeah. So I'm 5'11", so you got a little bit of space.
There is a line above you as well.
Yeah, good for your drying your swimsuit.
And then
There's a
what's that?
hair and body wash.
So no conditioner.
No conditioner.
And then does that shower head go up and down?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, so you can adjust that.
And then your dial.
Yeah, I won't turn that on now.
Your standard toilet. Kind of shelving at the top there, towel bars, the mirror.
Now, I think this might open.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, so
I
there's
would
a
have missed
little
that.
more. Yeah, don't forget your stuff in there when you leave.
The sink. And some storage under there for towels and toilet paper. And that's Oceanview Cabin 2558 on the Adventure of the Seas.